Currently, there is an AI gold rush happening in YouTube and TikTok. It is the gold rush of AI faceless channels. You don't have to show your face or use your own voice in a faceless channel. This feature could be a huge advantage for some people, as we will find out in this video. Generative AI has made tremendous progress during the last couple of years, and now AI tools are available for anyone to create a faceless YouTube or TikTok channel. You too can create one with AI tools, as I will show you in this video. Captain Fox Quizzes channel is one example of a faceless YouTube channel. It has been made purely with free AI tools that I will introduce to you in this video. Beastie Paws is another example of a YouTube channel that has been created purely with free AI tools. The pros of faceless channels include the ability to make quality videos, even if the creator or presenter does not possess any photogenic presentation qualities. Privacy is another benefit of faceless channels. The cons can include more effort needed to attract viewers and subscribers to faceless channels. In any case, AI faceless channels are a great opportunity for anyone to enter the YouTube and TikTok video business. The barrier to entry has been lowered tremendously. Any YouTube or TikTok video has only two basic ingredients or components, i.e., a visual part and an audio part. We will discuss the 6 free AI tools for these parts, especially the visual part, in this video. Meta AI is an excellent free AI tool to create faceless videos, as shown earlier in example 1. It has a nice feature to generate high-quality images, which can then be animated into videos for inclusion in your faceless video channels. Another excellent AI tool for video generation is from Pixverse AI. It is not completely free, but you can get free credits every day on login to their website. The next video generation AI tool is from Kling AI. Again, it is not a completely free tool, but its free part provides you monthly free credits package to create videos. The Qwen AI tool is an excellent open-source tool from Alibaba Corporation. It is completely free for the general public to use. It broadly provides 2 types of models. One type is for general chat purposes, and the other type is for vision tasks. In the vision tasks, one can create images as well as videos. It is completely free, and one can generate adequate amount of images and videos with this tool and include them in their faceless YouTube or TikTok channels. Tool number 5 is also from Alibaba Corporation, and it is called Qwen WAN Model. It is based on their flagship WAN 2.1 video generation model. This tool is not completely free, but its free part enables one to create images and videos. One can get daily credits for limited fast generation of videos using the WAN model, and then use the model for more video generation in a relaxed or slow mode subsequently. The YouTube audio library and the TikTok music library provide excellent resources for inclusion of free or non-copyrighted music in your videos. Along with this, AI tools such as those from 11 Labs enable you to include voiceovers in your videos. These are completely free AI tools for generation and inclusion of the audio part in the videos of faceless channels. For paid services, tools like those from Suno AI can be used for music generation purposes. As a real-world example, you can consider this faceless YouTube channel from Captain Fox Quizzes. All the videos in this channel have been generated using one or the other AI tools that we have discussed in this video. This channel is a good example of creating faceless YouTube channels using completely free AI tools that are available on the internet. Another example of a YouTube channel that has been generated and created using completely free AI tools is the Beastie Paws channel. You can see that this channel has also been successful in getting thousands of views. This is a relatively new channel, and we will track its progress in future videos to see how effective free AI tools are to develop YouTube and TikTok channels. In this video, we have seen that completely free AI tools are available on the internet to create faceless channels for YouTube and TikTok. This is a golden opportunity for anyone to enter the YouTube and TikTok video business, since generative AI has made tremendous progress during the last couple of years, and video generation is now available to the general public. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a detailed tutorial on how to create a faceless YouTube channel using the free AI tools that we have discussed in this video. It must be noted that achieving quick or overnight success in YouTube or TikTok video business is not possible. It will require hard work and patience. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and pressing the like button. Thank you for watching the video. Bye for now, and see you next time.